This is actually the best food in the world, according to the Ivorian.
What do I say? Attieke is the best food in the world.
Yeah, Attieke is the best food.
I love Attieke. Like, there's nothing better on this earth than Attieke.
Attieke, aloko.
Food. Attieke. It's very...
It is very... It's yummy.
Attieke, most common food in Ivory Coast.
Yeah, that's the one they do with cassava. You see how it's warm?
Yeah.
That means fresh, bro. For sure.
The dish is prepared from fermented cassava pulp that has been grated or granulated.
Attieke poisson, we have some pepper, onion, tomatoes. We cut it.
Okay.
So that's how we eat it. Let me tell you. Take your hand, right? And then it becomes like a bowl.
Yeah.
Put it inside.
Today, I'm going to do a food reaction video with a couple of my Nigerian friends.
Joa. Attieke or Attieke, which one? Attieke. Attieke. I feel like it look like those Somalian food, those very local kind of food. Very local.
I call this ancestors food.
So I want to go and buy what I'll use to do the Attieke. I'm going to get the ingredients for the food reaction.
Hi guys. I'm here to eat. To eat Attieke.
I'm hungry, that's why I came here. I'm very excited because I like testing new food. Food I've never tasted before. But that food has to have pepper.
Me, I don't want pepper. Don't dare. Don't try it. It's not the food that we're going to eat together. No.
Let's see who will win. Oh, there's pepper here.
It's not food though.
This is one loaf. Is it loaf of fish? What do you call it?
Loaf of bread, like me. Please. This thing.
So there's nothing like loaf of fish.
Ninja loaf of fish, loaf of bread. See, it's looking like one international. I must put this in on my Instagram for my baddies and my youngins. This one is looking like international.
Yeah.
I'm starting.
Wait,
Let me teach you guys. So, where's it from? I will glass that will show you guys how it. You use your hands. Mostly use hand to mix it. You have to mix the fish. You have to take the fish, the tomato, and that pepper and.
wait, raw tomato. Pepper.
Yeah, but if I want to use my hand now,
Yeah, you use your hand to mix everything.
I need to wash my hand.
No, I've washed my hands.
You can't wash it.
So they look like.
Guys.
Masala, I like you. Trying Ivorian, an Ivorian or Ivorian or Ibole.
The mix.
You use the fish.
Do you even fry the onions?
Take the fish and take some Attieke. Yes.
And mix it
And
with.
I've used this thing to do everything together.
If I start to talk, that blow will quick finish.
And just taste it.
Okay, taste first.
How is it?
I think I like it.
Who is it like?
I think I like it.
What does it mean for?
Only Mary, the mother of Jesus, and you.
Yeah.
Father.
Only Mary. What was Only Mary the mother of Jesus?
What do you think it looked like before when you saw it?
Oh, looks like.
Don't promise.
Nah, that shit doesn't work for me. It looks like.
Wait, continue with it. I want to tell you that.
If you come back, if you don't chop and finish up.
Such a good day before.
That's what I want. Ah. Mm. Mm. It's not
Okay.
peppery. It's there.
I think I like it.
I need to know what this is exactly. Mm.
Is it though?
Yes, now. Eat it with the fish.
Hold on. I
Uh-uh.
wasn't expecting this.
Farouk, you have to come and teach me how to make this one.
And fish.
More fish. More fish. More fish.
How does it taste?
Want more fish?
Oh,
You love it.
for what?
Mm.
For what is this thing?
It's called, what is it called? What is it called? What are you eating?
Attieke. Attieke.
Attieke.
Attieke.
Attieke.
Mm-hmm.
What were your first impressions when you took your first bite from Attieke?
Like, wow, I wasn't expecting that. Like, the taste, the combination. Who thought of this? Like,
How did they make?
who get brain? Oh, how did I think of this kind of thing? How did you make this? Sorry, how did you make this one? What's this one? Is it from?
So if I do my own now, wait.
Cassava.
If I do the same thing now, I'll put like maybe like turkey or chicken. What will it be called?
Yeah, called the same Attieke. You used to eat turkey or chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Full turkey. Full one. You know it's always full. It's not always. This one is full fish.
Food, anyone. It's still same Attieke. As long that thing is called Attieke. That one.
When are we going to do that?
That thing is used is cassava.
When are we going to do that
You
episode?
eat that one.
When are we going to do that episode? The full turkey, like full one.
You want it to be turkey. So
Based on the raw, I don't fuck with all this raw thing. So I'll still give it like a 10, 8 over 10.
So if not
I
for
don't
that,
fuck with
it could
all
have
this,
been like
but
10-10, right?
It goes with this, everything, yeah. I don't fuck with raw onions for general and everything. But it's very sweet, 8 over 10. Don't just say this is not day raw. I'll give 100 over 10. Alpha, can we just try and fry this one and see? You know what?
on Friday, you can use tea. Some people used to use stew to eat it.
But this is your original.
Yeah, that is selling. Some people used to use stew to Dangla. Your own, how do you eat it? Are we like that?
Yes, so with turkey,
Go try waiting.
full turkey, full turkey. Now I want full one. You want me to get leg, get the 2 legs, get wings, get
Let me
everything.
bring my own to sit on the beach.
You two
You
have.
recommend Attieke to the other person?
Yes, of course.
I do. I don't want that I'm on shouting.
Why or why not?
Because I did not tired of eating rice. Rice, bag, bread, rice.
Got our legend, Jay. Our legend on jelly.
Come on,
What's
this is food.
Attieke.
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 If you had to describe Attieke in just 3 words, what would they be?
3 words.
Yummy,
Tasty.
tasty.
Delicious.
Another chopped up again.
Hey. I like this in sweet back. I don't know say it will be like this. I don't know about you concept. I don't do essence. I will flip stop.
Like this. Wà fún owó tó wà
You
níbẹ̀.
might should be able to buy
That's right.
it.
Tó dùn.
Some people like chum chum, chum chum.
They chop you.
On the fish.
What they do in some countries.
I said tasty. Really like.
But why you don't put Maggi for one?
Okay. I don't know if you guys like mangi now.
Cut!
It's okay.
I put small out. Put it to my for cancer.
I don't want them like this.
So next
So
time.
we use all this and
We
that
go out.
space like this.
Yeah, try it like that. It's okay. If you go to Ivory Coast, they call something galba.
Next
not
month.
chicken.
Go
So
next month.
we're going to try it.
Next month.
Our mama loves Ivory Coast.
If you would like to try this food, comment I want. I'll send it to you. Please.
Special package, oh. Special delivery.
I'll send it to you.
Uptown girl will be the one to bring it.
On Uptown girl will bring it to your house.
I'll deliver it.
You deliver it for you.
No worry. Ben cinema for me.
special package. So you know, say your money say we got.
I think it's for free.
It's free.
Okay, sweet. Why was someone put? You want to take me? Food
No.
tank. You know what the food tank?
It's what we do for people.
Food tank.
Our fans,
We do for our fans. Please.
our viewers, our lovers,
viewers,
our
lovers.
subscribers.
People that love me.
How do you know how to use to eat it? On one condition. You have plantain with it.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
So you know, give me fish.
Go ahead, boy. You are so you give me.
I'm a man. So me, I come to this world to come suffer.
Man, a man is over.
Hey,
God will not make you suffer.
Jesus.
God will not make you
So
suffer.
I change your face.
Bring the fish.
Yeah.
Bring fish.
I
You will not survive in this life.
Bring another fish. Fish. You want fish?
we've cut out the video.
One loaf for fish.
You tell YouTube not to accept your video.
Which one will wear?
Rock of ages. Now my man wonder my belly is strong.
Let's say it's in a quick belly food.
You don't chop rock of ages.
So I don't know. Me want to see someone shop like 3-5 plates. Like,
Honestly, if you eat this food
like
1 month, wallah, you had it.
yeah.
You don't see Farouk come woman.
I know now. I know my guy now.
I like fish.
And then it's in again.
No.
And they me and Farouk never work out before make it look girl like make it girl go back.
I'm the guy no get yash.
Eh?
You don't get yash.
You push it like I get.
You don't get yash.
Which just
Stand up.
The guy no get yash.
Farouk.
I don't look at yash.
The guy no get yash. The guy get look yash. The guy get yash. Ah.
I don't like yash. You know my boobs are like.
Abu's right.
Hey, cut! Up and get. So.